Voltage current characteristics of Lasker. In this lecture, we will see the voltage current characteristics of light activated SCR. The characteristics of light activated SCR are similar to those of a normal SCR. Only the difference is in normal SCR we show the curve with respect to the gate terminal or the gate current, and in light activated SCR now we will show according to the intensity of light. Okay, if you want to study the characteristics of SCR, please visit our website or the channel, YouTube channel Magic of Logic, where you will get the characteristics of SCR. Watch that video. Now the characteristics of Lasker are similar to those of SCR, only the difference is instead of gate current we will provide, or we will see the effect of light intensity provided to the SCR or the Lasker. So the same characteristics here, current, that is the anode current, voltage between anode and cathode, of course positive to the anode and cathode negative. Now if the intensity of light is 0 here and I will plot a graph, so means if I will increase the voltage in this direction, then the current will be very less, or the very small leakage current, and at a certain level the SCR will get turned on immediately. Okay, this is known as the forward blocking state. Forward blocking state. Okay, now if I provide some intensity here, okay, due to the intensity of light or light, the junction gets forward biased with a small amount, and that's why if I increase again voltage between anode and cathode, then at a certain low level it gets turned on. Okay, and same parameter, the same graph we will obtain. Again I will increase this light intensity, the same graph will be achieved, but the turn on voltage will be less. So this depends on the change in intensity of light. Okay, the change in intensity of, okay, according to that anode current. Okay, in a reverse bias, of course, the diode, the same characteristics as that of SCR or a PN junction diode. Okay, this is the characteristics, or these are the characteristics of the light activated SCR. The characteristics are same as that of a normal SCR. Instead of gate current, we provide the, or we change the intensity of light. If there is a 0 intensity of light, means there is a no light, it takes very high voltage, or the voltage between anode and cathode very high voltage to turn on the SCR or Lasker. If I will provide some small intensity of light there, it will get turn on at a smaller level as compared to the first level. If increases, and as per increase, or if I goes on increasing the intensity of light, the turn on voltage reduces, and this is the VI characteristics of the Lasker. And in a reverse bias, okay, negative VI, and this is anode current in the reverse direction, and here is the breakdown of the Lasker. Thank you. This is the characteristics of Lasker.